Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for TAO price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis, and let's dive a little bit quick in the overview. For the bullish and bearish scenario, we have impulse finishing wave A or wave 1. After both case scenario, you would like to see three corrective wave where we have W, X and a Y potentially here, finishing 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5 after it for a wave 1 as an impulse. We're looking definitely right now for a wave 2 in this yellow count, of course, to start a new bull run toward the upside, meaning wave 3, 4 and a 5 to finish a big wave 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5. Of course, your wave 3 here has to be 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5, or you are of course definitely in a potential wave A here and you're looking for a wave B. This is your wave B. Currently, of course, we're gonna see this later, but currently we are still here with a wave 2 or wave B, and potentially your wave C might unfold in the blue scenario as well as an impulse finishing exactly here, the wave C. Let's put it exactly there. Here we go. For yeah, with the wave 3 as well. So these are the possibilities. Now for higher or longer bearish scenario, where we have, of course, here potentially W, X, and a Y. So this impulse might transform in kind of like zigzag correction, another zigzag, meaning an X here can be, of course, taking place, and then you're looking for a wave Y. Potentially, you would like to see something like this, three corrective waves, and then, of course, continuation toward the upside, which is not even far from this scenario to happen actually, and taking the 1-to-1 fib level here in three corrective waves taken from this wave here and then the top of the wave X, and giving us a potential, of course, 1-to-1 fib level at $160 or $150, which is of course in common as well between the fib level 0.38, 0.5 for, of course, a wave 2 or wave B, expanded of course in time, meaning shifting those wave 2 or wave B to this side with one more leg toward the downside, meaning you would like to see here a potential finished zigzag, somehow like this. And we are already in the middle of the zigzag. So you finish the first leg potentially and you're looking for one more leg toward the downside. Let's move inside it on the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, we are looking at the following scenarios. So we have, of course, WXY, three ways toward the downside, finishing your W and finishing your X. Of course, this has transformed into a X. It's not a leading diagonal. We already estimated this wave 5 longer than wave 3, meaning no leading diagonal. It is corrective and moving toward the downside impulsively, meaning you're, as mentioned, a zigzag potential where you want to finish here kind of like A, B, and a C. So let's see how this is gonna unfold. Potentially here your impulse for a wave A is finished, can be finished, where we have finished here potentially. Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5. No, it doesn't work like this. 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5 also doesn't work. So as you can see, a lot of overlapping. So meaning if we are 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5, that's a fine, good impulse, right? Potentially, but I don't like here that it ends up kind of like in three waves. So definitely here, potentially three waves down, three waves up again, 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5. This wave 4 has interfered with your zone 1 again, which is not nice to see, knowing that this is a triangle. However, what I believe here, it can be, of course, a complex structure here as a W, X, and a Y as well inside it, but I'm gonna label it here a very simple A, B, and a C, guys, because in a bigger view, this is what we are looking at for a wave Y. So big ABC here might be very possible. Your wave B might be as well a triangle. Here we go. So if we dive again inside it, potential triangle is unfolding here as A, B, C, D, and a E. Your wave E might be finished in the middle of the triangle or still looking for a little bit higher and then start the move toward the downside, guys, for a big wave C again. Potential to take, of course, over those fib levels. Again, the blue box with the 1-to-1 fib level potentially, very, very potential, to take this low, taking the low here, shifting all the wave 2 and the wave B to this side, and transforming this into a bigger or in time to a longer corrective wave. Rather than finishing the 3 waves here, we had 3 waves up again, and then one more move toward the downside to finish a wave Y in a zigzag, which is still, of course, unfolding with one more leg to finish, of course, this bearish scenario. Now, as you can see before, we have mentioned that we might already expect this. Yeah, so this is our second scenario. Before, we had a scenario for the bearish with this leg. Somehow it's done, it's finished. It's still looking for lower. The price action says we're still looking for lower, meaning this leg is next. And we're gonna estimate again, if we still corrective, therefore potentially the next leg can be, of course, the 0.618 $100, and then moving toward the upside. And I remember right now I got a comment about regarding this one, yeah, the $100, and I got a comment with WTF. $100 for TAO is impossible. We're moving up from the 150. Yes, very possible to move from the 150, but I mean, please guys, WTF is a little bit like, I mean, it's possible, yeah, but you don't have to write WTF, yeah. Of course, it is possible to move toward the downside. If you are corrective 3 waves, it is possible for $100. I don't believe you have enough money to prevent this, of course, from happening if a lot of whales or a lot of people are selling. So it is a possibility. I'm, of course, showing the possibilities here. I'm not saying that it's gonna move towards the downside. Please understand always what I mean with 3 waves up. In case 3 waves up, then yeah, this is a possibility. In case we continue impulsively, then we are bullish. Then okay, yes, it moves from the 150. But yeah, just about some words in the comments, guys. Please, thank you. And yeah, so that was it for TAO. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.